Hello to all of you. Today we want to show you what the quick search bar is for. You can find it in the overview tab here. If you click on it, it will show you information like most common searches, students of today with depths, or today classes attendance list. Here you can search for almost any information. You can search for a student or a relative, and by entering their name or email. For example, if we write Maria, it will also show you active and inactive students. You can find a class or an event, for example, ballet. If we make click here, we can see the name and the list of students. To do all of this, you only have to enter the first few letters, like man, for example, few letters of the name, and it will show you the results, a students, a class, etc. Easy and simple. Thank you.